Is there any vaccines available for coronavirus right now?
At this point, as we speak, we don't really have any established vaccines for COVID-19. Although there are companies around the world that have claimed that they do have vaccine, but the problem with the vaccine is it takes about a year and a half uh, from the time the vaccine is invented to go into the market, because you've got to do animal studies, then you've got to do phase 1 clinical trial, then phase 2, then the FDA approval. So it takes a long time. So apparently Israel has got some company in Israel has developed a vaccine. China has claimed, but in this country, uh, it's a biopharmaceutical company in San Diego, which came out and said they developed a vaccine. Actually, even before the epidemic started in this country. Uh, the, the other institution is Kaiser Permanente in Seattle, Washington State. They have developed a vaccine, and they have already done some clinical trials on about 40 or 45 patients. We are waiting for the results. The vaccine is apparently in 2 doses. You give the first dose, and after a month, you give the second dose. And then what you got to do is, look at the blood sample and see if there is any immunity, and that's the only way to prove that. So even if that is successful, even if you fast track it, it will be at least about a couple of months before any of these vaccines come into the market. Most of the viral vaccines, viral infections do have vaccines. Chickenpox is a typical example. Measles, mumps, rubella, all of them have vaccines. So, vaccines, and the flu. We take flu vaccines every year. So they are all, for viral infections. That reminds me of the scientist who developed rubella vaccine in 1962. I was, just reading today that he's 87, and he's really working hard on developing a vaccine for this COVID-19, and he's in Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania.